about leading. John Wooden, he was the coach of UCLA Bruins, had one of the most powerful statements I've ever heard on leadership. He said that, they said, how did you win 7 NCAA championships in a row, 10 overall? And please write this word down, I don't have time to go through it, but it's pretty powerful. He said, customized motivation. He said, I did not coach my team, every player the same way. This player needed a little push. This player needed some data. This player over here needed, and I found out where they were, and that's where we coached them to. Then here we go with the training, trained my coaches to do the same. That's why if you ever watch an athlete talk about John Wooden, they are in tears talking about Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Bill Walton, New Pass. They love that man because he brought the best out of them. All right? So, culture. Yeah, you were building winning Passion is the fuel that lights the fire of all creativity. You show me a passionate person, I show you somebody that's going to succeed. Period. And so one thing we look at with workforce teams is that how do we increase the passion that our teams have for the work we do?
Come on. How are you? Good. How are you? You know, kind of moving and shaking, doing all the things. Relevant.